In this video, I am going to show you how to add back to top to your Squarespace website. Okay, so please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead onto your Squarespace website editor. Now you want to open a new tab and go to this website called elfsite.com. So here you want to create an account or log into your existing account. So if you don't have an account yet, just enter your email right here and click on start. So after creating your account or login into your account, just click on the wages icon here right here. And in the search bar, just search for wages back to top. So as you can see, there is back to top wages right here. So just click on this. Okay, now there are a bunch of different templates. Then you can choose from. So for example, let's just select this template right here. Okay, just click on continue with this template. Okay, now from here you can just edit your icon, this back to top icon. So I will not be doing any editing, so this is okay for me. So let's just click on the add to website. Okay, now from here let's just publish. Let's click on your publish in the right corner of the screen and simply select the free version. Okay, so now we are all set. Let's just copy this code and go back to our Squarespace website editor. Okay, so here in your website editor, just select a block or a section, simply click on the add block. Okay, now click on the code and so double click on this and simply copy or paste code that you have copied earlier. Okay, now this is it. Just click on preview in save mode. And as you can see here, the back to top icon is now copied to your Squarespace website. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe button.